Welcome to another episode of video on my driving robot Discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and online programmed in Python. Last time I had some problems while connecting to the interface, and as you can see everything is still offline. Well, the robot has two touch sensors, USB camera, fused with OpenCV, a lamp for signaling some other behavior, as well as a propeller to show that the algorithm is still running, and then colored objects to create images and eventually used to correct a course or set a course. Then also from last time, or in an idea from last time, replace these two wheels behind by these big wheels, so maybe that makes the running easier. However, let's first try to get the thing running after all. So I will connect the battery pack and I will start the controller, boot it into the community firmware, and hopefully this time it will immediately connect. Last time I needed a reboot which didn't help, and boot into the original firmware using my Android tablet to check if the Wi-Fi DHCP works using a TXT CamDroid app, and that showed that it worked. Now I need to go to the original firmware from here, or the interface, and set date and time. And then it is now 23rd, so that will be okay. Time 15:13. So that is alright. Hopefully it retains it when I have to reboot. But now the question is, do I have am I able to make contact? And I am able to make contact right now. So that is very good. In the second terminal, if you have seen my previous videos, then you know what I'm talking about. Two terminals open towards the controller, one terminal open to do OpenCV, and one on-screen camera view for looking at the robot. But anyway, alright, now remove everything that is remaining from last time. And I'm done with that. So now I will do a first test, running the whole thing anyway, and it's a small distance, so I used to start right there, and that means the position of the sensors was there. Now it's right here. So let's see if this works, even with these flaws in the cloth. So let's go. If something happens. Well, the propeller works. Empty is okay. Does it run? No, it doesn't run. That's of course very important to see. Okay, so it's signaled with a lamp, so let's see if when I don't lift it, if it does the same thing. Yeah, it runs. And oh, that's a very little distance. A very short distance. Will it run faster or more with this? I hope so. So let's this can go on and on. I'll interrupt and I'll replace the wheels and see whatever happens, because I'm very curious about that one. So let's replace the backside wheels, and that is right here, and I can't just replace them, I see, but I can add them to them, if alright. So let's see how that works out. Oh, I can add them here. Oops, be careful. Oh, that's not the way to go. That is not the way to go. This is the way to go. But that is, no, that's a problem. I have to add it right here at the end. And how this will end up, I don't know yet. So this one goes in the same way, right at the end. Looks a bit different, but who knows what will happen. I'm very curious about it, and one comes off. Not really the idea, but alright, fixed. Oh, yeah, that is not the idea. I can really move these wheels. So I will have to remove this one and from the other side. Also not good. So this implies that I will have to remove these two as well. The only thing that is a problem right now is that it is much less likely to turn easily. That remains to be seen. So what will be the effect of this? Because, well, these wheels can quite easily turn around the pivot. And these can't. Well, they can move easily, but anyway, let's see whatever happens. If something happens, yeah, right. Connection aborted. How about now? Camera connect, that's good. There we go. Does it run or doesn't it? Is this easier or doesn't it matter? So far it doesn't matter, it doesn't run, it does, well, the program runs, but the robot doesn't. Okay, lights. Now some movement please. Lifting it up doesn't show, yeah. Oh, that's a very little movement. It's very little, and it's done. And it's done because of a zero image. Ouch. What to do? Right, now first let's see how the images are doing. And let's take 13. Wait a second. 15, oh, 15, 13, that's better. Alright, now for the res image. Alright, that looks very correct to me. And if you have seen the Mirth 2 video, you would have seen that this was kind of yellow. In this it is very black, so it is successfully masked out from the red. And that is exactly what I wanted to see. The latest one is 15, 22, 57. Is that correct? Yeah. What is happening now? 15, 22. Oh, yeah, there's no there's no image. Okay. So I need to take the previous one. 30. Yep, that's what. This one, let me put it here. And oh wait, yeah, this should be image. See. So alright, I think I can conclude that this is a very nice image the way it is intended. Everything that is not red is black, and so it should be. Then looking here, yeah, it's a poor lighting unfortunately, and I can't really change that, but big wheel here, big wheel here, here and here, and it still drives like, well, like a slug. So how to change that? That's a very good question. And let me put these images away for now. Yeah, that's the one. So no ribbons or whatever in this whole stuff. Let's try it once again. Oh, that's not good. No. Another zero image. That is not good at all. Is that the only image made? Yeah, and above? No, it has several, which are good, but this doesn't look good. And last time I had a problem using the battery pack. Oh no, 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 no. Wait a second. Okay, Robo Pro, please. Another wine update has happened, so there you are. So back to discovery and selecting the battery pack. 9 volts. Oh, that's more than enough. 9 volts. So why is this happening? Why is all this crap happening? Okay, another one. At least no error yet. Right. Any wheels running? No. Yeah, that was a very small distance. I should not help it. Okay, another small distance. Now, the next one, please. Without any aid, yes. But why such small distances? I should have a ruler next to it. .31 motor stopped. But that is for taking pictures, yes. Ah! Now, what is going to happen? Will it bump into it, making finally a touch signal? Very close. Oh, and that's it, because there's a zero image. But when I look at the output, there is no touch. There's no touching. So let's take a look at the very latest, which is 31. That is 55, so I need one previous. Let's say 42. That one. And what's the result? I should get primarily black and only here, here and here some red. What is it? See, this is what I call a very nice image. Let me put them here. This is what I want. Yes. Very good. So, let's start all over with the robot right here. And see whatever happens. This is looking nice. So, let's go. If it permits. No, it doesn't. That is clear. Another one. Yeah, it's not really sharp, this. Yeah. I do not like this output. $60 centimeters. Is it? More like 55. Yeah. Alright. Oh, no, 29. Yeah, sure. Go. Yes, it's slow to go, but oh, come on, 0 image. That's not what I want. And it did go so well. Give me some action, please. And not like this. Okay, last time, and then I'm going to shorten the distance. These are nice images. Doesn't move. Unlikely. Very unlikely. That means that I'm going to move it closer. Go. Let's say 20 centimeters now. Network error again. So where are the good results now? Ah, it writes a short distance, less than a centimeter, I think. Do I have a ruler here? Not at hand. Let me grab one. So, in case it does right. Bottom of the wheel at 5. Now the bottom of the wheel is at 3.5. Uh, 1.5. So my prediction is, yes, 1.5. So once more, how much does it ride? That is 3, from 5 to 3. So the distances that it rides is not every time the same. That is shorter as 1.5 now. Exceeding the distance, so let's put it at 10. Now it can't ride 10, but it will bump into it. Touch. It made contact, but ooh, that's an interesting one. Now if I put it like this, yeah, that's an interesting one. It has not enough power, see? It doesn't have enough power to pull, to get on. So if I do it like, yeah, how should I do it? Yeah, right. Does it make contact? I still don't see it making contact. Yeah, I do. Contact 1 is 1. And an empty image. This was a very successful ride. There's no doubt. A very successful ride. And not just that. It made contact finally. Let's make another. Let's take another one. 9. The 35. The 433510 is empty. Which is this one. So anyone after it is empty, so I need the 4322, which is this one. And this one, the result version, should be black. Yep. This is interesting. And this is equally as interesting because apparently these very small wheels do affect it. Definitely. And that's it for this episode. So replacing wheels did have an effect. It rode, although remarkably short distances, but it did, and it did make a contact at least. So I think this somehow is the way to go. Then I thank you for watching, because I'm already past time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give the video a thumbs up, like it, and leave a comment or suggestion if you like. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like, and leave a comment. You can also follow me at Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can show your support by making a small donation. More information at the start of this video or on my website, which is in the description box. You can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website, or on my website as well as with my video, depending on the pledge you make. More information on my website. And this is of course going to be continued. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.